This is a beautiful and a simple form of hand embroidery using machine thread. This embroidery you can see in the hoop is a small floral design made with green and red machine thread on a light colored fabric. Hand embroidery is an art of decorating fabric using a needle and thread. It's one of the oldest and most beautiful form of textile decoration. The special thing about hand embroidery is that it doesn't always require expensive materials. With a simple piece of fabric, a needle, and a thread, we can create a beautiful design. In this particular work, I have used machine swing thread for hand embroidery. Machine thread is generally thinner than embroidery floss, so it gives a delicate and a neat appearance to the design. There are several reasons why we can use machine thread for hand embroidery. First, machine thread is easily available. Many of us already have different colors of sewing thread at home. Second, it's economical. We don't always need to purchase separate embroidery thread for small projects. Third, because machine thread is thin, it can create fine and delicate details. Actually, for this type of embroidery, we don't need many materials. We need only suitable fabric, sewing needle, machine thread, embroidery hoop, scissors, pencil, a little patience and creativity. For today's design, I have used green machine thread for the stem and leaves, and then a brick orange thread for the flowers. For beginners, a fabric with a relatively even weave is easier to work with because it's easier to control the stitches. Place the fabric properly inside the embroidery hoop. The fabric should be stretched firmly but should not be stretched so tightly that it becomes distorted. Machine thread is normally designed for sewing machines but can also be used for hand embroidery. The flowers in this design are small and red. For small flowers, we can use stain stitches. Actually, it's not a satin stitch. That's it.